In today's video, I'm going to teach you what to do if your Robinhood account is locked and how you can regain access using your PC. Account lockouts can happen for a variety of reasons, from security concerns to forgotten passwords. But don't worry, by following these steps, you'll be on the best path to resolving the issue. Let's walk through the process together so you can get back into your account as soon as possible. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to robinhood.com. Once you're on the home page, locate and click on the Login button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the page. Try to sign in using your usual credentials. Sometimes this works, especially if there was just a simple glitch or typo before. However, if you still can't log in, don't get discouraged. That happens. If your login attempt fails, look for the Help option on the page. Often, you'll see a link labeled something like Forgot Password. Go ahead and click that. You'll be prompted through the process of resetting your password and verifying your identity. Just follow the on-screen instructions, which are there to make sure your account security is protected. You might be asked to receive a code via email or your registered phone number. At this point, if the system asks for additional identity verification, maybe requesting a photo of your ID or a selfie, make sure you follow their instructions patiently and carefully. Take clear, readable photos and upload them exactly as prompted. This step is important for proving it's really you trying to access the account, so take your time to get it right. Once you're successfully logged in, find the account section. From there, navigate to Help and then to Contact Us. You'll typically see an option labeled Account Access Issues. Within this, you can submit a support ticket giving as much detail as possible about your lockout. Be clear and concise when describing your situation. Explain when you last accessed your account, what errors you received, and anything else that might help the support team assist you more efficiently. After you've submitted your ticket, it's important to check your email regularly for any replies or instructions from Robinhood support. Sometimes they may need additional documents or clarification from you, so be sure to respond promptly to keep things moving smoothly. While you wait, it's a good idea to keep personal records. Take screenshots of your balances, recent transactions, and any error messages you encounter. These can be helpful for support or for your own reference. Also, avoid making new trades, deposits, or withdrawals until you have full access and your account is confirmed as secure. If you have funds that are time sensitive, like an urgent deposit or withdrawal, it may be wise to reach out to your bank as well. They can help track any pending funds, just in case there's a delay on Robinhood's side. Usually, following this step-by-step process resolves most lockout cases. However, do keep in mind that depending on the nature of your account issue and Robinhood support's backlog, it might take several days to a few weeks to fully restore your account. Patience and thorough communication will be key during this time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps smooth your journey back into your Robinhood account. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials and tips.